Hello and welcome to the Day 2 Boss booth at the 2026 Solar Energy Expo in Warsaw, Poland. Today, we're proud to introduce the Day 2 Boss 12V200A Life PO4 battery, a powerful and reliable energy solution designed for modern energy needs. Built with automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells, this battery delivers 2560 watt-hours of stable, efficient power in a compact and durable ABS housing. It features an upgraded 200-amp smart BMS, providing advanced protection against overcharging, deep discharge, overcurrent, and temperature extremes, ensuring safety and long-term performance. With over 5,000 deep cycles and a lifespan of up to 10 years, it significantly outperforms traditional lead-acid batteries while remaining eco-friendly and cost-effective. Thanks to its series and parallel support, it's ideal for solar systems, RVs, marine applications, and off-grid homes. Next, this is the Datubus Pure Sine Wave Inverter. It automatically detects 12V and 24V batteries and delivers up to 3,000 watts of stable power, with 6,000 watts peak output. Perfect for solar systems, RVs, and reliable backup power. With clean energy you can trust anywhere you need it. Now let's introduce the Datubus 24V Pure Sine Wave Inverter. It converts 24V DC to 230V AC, delivering up to 3,500 watts of clean, stable power for everyday use. With pure sine wave output and an LCD display, it's ideal for trucks, camping, and emergency power needs. This is the Datubus 11 kilowatts, 48V hybrid solar inverter. It delivers powerful pure sine wave energy, supports parallel operation, works with or without batteries, and includes smart MPPT. This is the Datubus 24V 3000W hybrid solar inverter. This is the 48V 314A battery. It delivers 16.07 kilowatt-hours of energy with 200 ABMS. This is the 48V 5 kilowatt-hours of energy. This is the new Datubus high-capacity Life PO4 battery. With 32.15 kilowatt-hours of energy and 6.2 kilowatts of output, it's designed for large solar systems and long-term energy storage. This is the Datubus 24V100A Life PO4 battery, with built-in 100 ABMS protection. You can contact us using the details shown on the screen, or visit our official website through the link below the video.
If these projects are useful to you, you can support me by buying a cup of coffee through the link below the video in the description box. You can also find all the circuit diagrams through the same link. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.